It's so much better now. You see, you can actually see in the trunk, you can see inside the car. Everything looks beautiful. All right guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. It's nighttime, but I think it's perfect time to change those bulbs. So I'm still working on the 2022 CRV. So we're gonna change all the lights interior that we can find. It's gonna make a huge difference. So I think it's gonna look really nice. So a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it, guys. The LED bulbs last Axito, I think, or last fit, I don't remember. Anyway guys, let's go and start installing them for the 2022 CRV. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, that's what those lights look. They're barely visible. I mean, whew, it looks okay, but you can get way better lights than that. There you go guys, you see, they're barely anything there. You barely can see in there. I want to wake up the interior of this car. You see what I mean? So let me show you the back too, guys. So here you go guys, look at that. You can barely see if the light is on. So you know what, on second thought, I think we're gonna do the rear first. I think it would wake up the back of the car. Look, I can't even see anything back here. See guys, and the both lights are on. Look, so let's change the back first so we could see the big difference. Let's go. All right guys, so the first guy is right here. Use your trim removal tool. You pop it off from the top, guys. Here we go. That's the bulb. Let's unplug it. Okay, so here it is, guys. So normally those are usually a little hard to take off. All right, let me go, just sliding it down. All right, I got it, guys. Those are usually T10. Yeah, that's a T10. Let me check my little box. All right guys, so we're gonna put these guys the last fits, but I don't have the Axito, but so that's about the same thing. So we're just gonna take that one in and pop it in. And I've used this bulb before, so let's put them on. Okay, see, it's very easy to put it on. Now let's test it and make sure it works. There you go guys, look at the difference. Look at the difference. So much better, right? All right, now all we have to do is just pop this guy back in. Oh, all right, hold on, I need to pop it back out. Make sure it's all the way in and secure. All right, there you go guys. Down. Big difference. So this is the before, the after. Big difference. You see how you can actually see here? Once I put this one on, is gonna be big difference again. So let's do this one as well. All right guys, so same thing on this guy. From the top, there we go. It's easier to unplug it. There it is guys. Just trying to push it out. There we go, out. And then put the new one in. Those are CAN bus as well, so they shouldn't give you any error message. There you go, it's that simple. Now we go back into here, plug it in. Ooh, nice. And we just pop this guy back in. There you go guys. There you go guys, look how much more you can actually see in the trunk now. Big difference. See, you can actually see stuff, right? So much better. All right, let's move in the inside guys. All right guys, so now we are inside the car. We're gonna do the center light, which is this guy right here. There's two little holes over here. You should be able to push either here or there. Let me find out where they are. Oh, they're back here. Oh, they're back here, sorry. You gotta try to pop them out from these two little holes. Okay, got it guys. All right, this one is also T10, which is perfect. Let's turn it off. You see how it looks? Let's, oop, hot. Ooh, hot. Okay, got it. Okay guys, now we got the light. All we have to do is pop this guy in, test. Haha, let me show you guys. There you go, you see? There we go, so much more brighter. Off, on, beautiful. All right guys, this one is done. We put this little cover back in. You put it at an angle, the front first, and pop the back. Boom. Let's move to these guys, see what we can do to them. Let's go. All right guys, now we're doing, let me see, can you see? Yeah, so we're gonna do these guys, so let's turn them off for now. So we're gonna do them, you see what they look like. Let me find the little opening area, if it's here or in the back. All right, it's in the front guys, got it. See? Okay, it's out. This is also T10. Turn this guy off. Okay, let's pop this one out. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, hot. Put the new bulb on. Okay, the bulb is on. There you go guys, see? Beautiful. Beautiful. And all we have to do is just pop this guy back into place. Boom, done. All right guys, on again, off. All right, let's go to the next side. So next side is the same exact way. Pop it off. There we go. Let's turn this off. Take this out. Hot. Okay guys, we put this one in too. There you go guys. That's it. Now all you have to do is put the cover back in, put it at an angle. Boom. Wow, big difference guys. We turn them on. Nice, right? See the difference between these guys, the orange one and this? So let's change these guys as well, and then we could be done. Let's turn these off. And all right, so these guys should be the same thing. There's a little opening in the front here. Use your trim removal tool. Oh, got it. All right, so these guys are a little different. Let me see what they are guys. All right guys, I also have these. I don't remember what these guys are, but I'll put everything in the description down below. They're also white. I can't remember the model number, but check the description. It should be in there once I find it, but now I don't remember. Anyway, let's pop these guys off. This is a little, it's not easy, it's not hard. You just gotta, you can pop it from the side or the bottom. So I'm gonna do it from the bottom here, and on the bottom here it should come off. There we go. It's really hot. So this is what it looks like guys. Okay, so let me show you the one. There you go guys. See, I can't remember the model, but I'll put it in the description. So this should fit. Let's put it on. Oh, nice. Okay guys, really good, look good. And then now all we have to do is put the little diffuser. Oh, that's beautiful guys, beautiful. Boom. Oh, that looks good. All right, now let's go to the last one, which is on the other side here. Okay guys, so same thing with this guy, same thing. Pop this little diffuser or cover off, and then you pop this bulb off right there, and then you grab the bulb, pop it in, or if it doesn't work, flip it 180 degree. There we go, because those are directional. There you go, it's done. Now we put the diffuser back on. Boom, that's it guys, that's it. I'm gonna show you another look of every lights turned on so you guys can see the big difference. All right, okay guys, so this is it. You see the difference? It's so much better now. You see, you can actually see in the trunk, you can see inside the car. Everything looks beautiful. I think that was a good one guys, very happy with it. All right, that's it. All right guys, this video for the 2022 Honda CRV is all done. The lights look nice, brights up inside the car a whole lot better than what it was from the halogen. Looks good. So anyway, I'm gonna put the link in the description down below, but we're gonna put the Axito link. I prefer the Axito light. I put the last fit because I didn't have any. Not that they're bad, but I prefer the Axitos. So anyway, everything is all done. Like and subscribe, comment down below. and let me know what you think. Until the next time, guys, peace.